Hello everyone, my name is Angel A. Cabido from St. Carlo Acutis Block B, and the recreational activity that I've chosen is walking. As what you see in the video, we are in McDonald's and we're going to walk McDonald's to Gaisano to exercise after eating, to digest what we eat, to become healthy. That's all, and less talking, let's start.
You have me already. This ain't ordinary. My hands get on steady every time you let me in. I've been attached with the feeling of love reciprocating, and waking up with you by my side. Boy, walk home, mapagpipigyan di haya Masaya, di na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Basta ikaw lang sapat na.
You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all.
Shirts off and your friends lift you up over their heads. Beer sticking to the floor. Cheers chanted cause they said there was no chance. Trying to be the greatest in the league. Where's the trophy? He just comes running over to me. Touchdown, call the amateurs and cut him from the tee. Ditch the clouds, get the crown, baby, I'm the one to be. Cause the sign on your heart said it's still reserved for me. Honestly, who are we to fight the alchemy?
Pwede bang makasama ka kahit na sandali? Pwede bang makasama ka kahit di nakapikit? Kahit na di buong gabi, basta't hindi lang sa panaginip. Gusto kitang makasama buong gabi, nakahigang, nakaharap sa mga bituin. Hinihintay ang kinabukasan. Ako lang pala sa storyang ito.
Balewala ang sasabihin ng iba. At kahit na hindi nila maiintindihan, kakaiba, kakaiba, kakaiba. Pag-ibig nating dalawa di maikukumpara. Pagmamahal ng tapat at totoo, pag-ibig ng ikaw at ako.
At nang iyong mapa